Today I would like to mention a few Madani pearls about sneezing. The beloved and blessed Prophet ﷺ has mentioned, Allah Azza wa Jal likes the sneeze and does not like the yawn. When one sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, the angels say Rabbul Alameen. And if the person says Rabbul Alameen, then the angels say, May Allah have mercy upon him. Lower your head and cover your face as you sneeze. And sneeze in a low voice, as it is foolish to sneeze loudly. One should say Alhamdulillah after sneezing. It is better to say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It is wajib for the person who hears to say Yarhamukallah. Upon hearing Yarhamukallah, the person who sneezed must say Yaghfirullahu lana wa lakum, or say Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. The one sneezing must say Alhamdulillah audibly, so that it can be heard and answered. The reply Yarhamukallah is wajib on the first sneeze. On the second sneeze, it is not wajib, rather it is mustahab. If the person sneezes during the khutbah, the person hearing must not reply. During salah, if someone sneezes and you recite Alhamdulillah with the intention of replying to his sneeze, your salah will become invalid. If an unbeliever says Alhamdulillah after sneezing, one should reply Yahdikallah. May Allah grant us ability to practice these few Madani pearls.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.